You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word from Italian. If you want to learn more useful Italian vocabulary, make sure to stay tuned. This means kind, somebody who is kind. In Italian, also something that is soft, like a wine, gentile. Italian pronunciation, gentile. Now in English, this is normally said as gentile, but in Italian, the pronunciation, how to pronounce gentile, somebody who's nice or kind, gentile. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.